Yo, now I'm in my mobile device. So what you want to do is go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for A Code. So once you search for A Code, it's a free app. So once you download it and then install it. So I have already downloaded it, and so I'm going to click open. So you allow it, and then it's going to do a countdown for about 10 seconds. So you wait for that, and then yes, it's gone. So now I'm going to show you how to edit this landing page on your mobile phone. So you click on these three lines here and click on open folder, then click on internal storage. Now we are trying to locate where you saved the landing page you downloaded. Alright, so click on select path. As you can see, you're going to search for where you saved it. As you can see, this is the Cash App folder here. So I click on it and then click on use this folder. Then click on allow. Then click on OK. And then click on this select folder. Then click on this again. Click on internal storage. Now you can see these are literally everything I showed you on a desktop. So now you're going to click on this index.html. You click on it and then you scroll down to the very bottom. Make sure you don't alter the code. Just scroll down, and then you want to go back to the file, to the script, to your CPA grip account, and copy the script. I have already copied the script and pasted it here. So I'm going to open the script. Okay, so I can't open it here. Let me try opening it right here. As you can see, so you're going to open it with, you can open it with any of these apps, but I'll open it with Chrome. So as you can see, these were the text I showed you on the PC. So now you're going to copy the script. So copy it and then go back to A Code. So once you go back to A Code, then you want to highlight that script and then paste the script in there, and then you click on these three icons, then save. Right, so once you click on that, then you click on this play button to preview the page. So you can see, let's preview in browser and let's preview it in Chrome. As you can see, it showed us the exact same landing page. So let's try and put in any detail. And say XP marketing. And you can choose any amount of Cash App I want. And then continue. So it's going to show the same exact process it showed on the PC. Alright, it's loading up. It's loading up. Boom, now it shows that bot detected. So once you click on this confirm, okay, it's not popping it up. Don't know what's wrong. It's pop. Okay, let me check back what's wrong and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I've done my research and I found out that mobile phone, smartphone cannot display JavaScript. Alright, although you've edited the landing page to your own CPA grip code, you've edited that, but you cannot preview it on a mobile phone because a mobile phone doesn't have the ability to preview a JavaScript code. So the only solution to this now is you have to upload this landing page to a server, right? So once you upload it to a server, then you'll be able to view all the changes. I've already made a video on how to do that already, so you can click in the description, right? You'll find the video on how you can, upload it to a custom domain, and then you'll be able to view the changes you made.